Let's heat up those feet with some Schluter Ditra Heat. Man, this is a great system. Here we have the heating cable and 2 thermostat wires. You will have a test log that you need to test the continuity and the resistance of your heating wire and your thermostat wires prior to installation. After you run all of your tests, go ahead and write it down in the log and don't lose the paper. The homeowner actually decided to add the heat after the fact that we had all electricity done. So I had to cut a hole in the drywall. That way we could run our wires up to the thermostat location. I don't know exactly what that thick part is on the heating cable. Is a voltage regulator or what? I don't know. But anyway, it's pretty thick. You can't just set it on top of the mat. You have to cut out the mat all the way to the subfloor. I use a little Curdy Fix caulking, sneak it right back in there. I just set the drill on top of it and it will dry and you can tile right over the top of it. There will be no humps. Concrete stake and a cardboard box helps you out with a wire spool. That way you can pull and go. Got it, coach. It's very easy to install the heating cable into the mat. I just tell you about 3 bubbles apart. This is actually a grout float without the rubber on it. That way it's nice and slick. And just run it till it comes out, man. I just do it. I missed it right here. Daggone, missed it by 1 bubble. But it'd be all right. All right, I got all the heating cable installed in the main walkway, except right there, there's going to be a freestanding tub. So I didn't put any heat underneath it. 2 thermostat wires. 1 is just an extra in case something happens to the other one. After all your cables installed, go ahead and retest them and write it back down in the logbook. Got the old loudmouth. This is just a circuit protection. That way you know if something happens to your wire, it's going to go off. But that's it. Let's get them toes warm, man.